Hello everyone, I'm Karen Dangola from Adjoining, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to this fantastic property here in Castlewood Estate. If you're after single level living with stacks of space needed, then this could be the perfect home for you. And it comes with district views. Couldn't get much better. And look at all the space that is on offer. It was built well ahead of its time for all the style and comfort that you'll have here to enjoy, including 4 great sized bedrooms and enough living spaces for the whole family to spread out and enjoy. As you can see, she's not only a fabulous home, but she sits on almost 1,000 square metres of beautiful land, and it's in a nice quiet cul-de-sac of Castlewood Estate, a beautiful location zoned for Castle Hill Public and Castle Hill High, and you have these amazing district views straight off the front of this fabulous property. If you're the downsizer who still needs a bit of space, this could be perfect for you. If you're the family who's needing that space to spread out and enjoy, it's another great option as well. But ultimately, come and have a look at it. She's a fabulous property. I'm Karen Dangola from Adjoining. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. I look forward to seeing you soon.